Pintot, pintot, kinsay pala utot. Pintot, pintot, kinsay mga bahog lubot. Han, it's burning.
Salinda ay amor, amor.
Good morning, everything. Hi. Hi, how are you na? Hoy. How are you? Loka, loka. Hello, guys. Good morning. It is almost 12 o'clock na. Almost good afternoon na. So, ngayon, nakapagbihis na tayo. Na-ready na kasi aalis kami ni Tami. Punta lang kami sa... What if I'm not going to look at my camera? The screen. So we're going to New Rochelle. So I flip the screen because I keep looking at myself. Nakakairita pa minsan ng nagba-vlog ka ba and din tinitignan mo is yung sarili mo lang. Parang ganun lang. Oh, okay ba ako? Okay ba? Punta lang kami ng New Rochelle. Kasi kagabi, nasabi ko ba? Kagabi kasi yung hangin sobrang lakas yung hangin and ang nangyayari, yung garbage pail doon sa isang bahay lumipad-lipad. And also, meron din kaming kukunin na registration sa sasakyan ko. Andun kasi sa isang bahay. I don't know doon dineliver pinaano ni Tami. So, inano niya yun online. And then doon sinisend nila sa isang bahay. Kailangan lang i-pick up kasi 2 days na to doon. 3 days na. And then baka nilipad sa hangin kasi grabe yung storm kagabi, guys. Grabe. Mas malakas talaga sa city kagabi. Grabe. Nakikita ko sa mga balita, grabe ang lakas. And also dito din, grabe ang lakas. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung ginagawa ko kagabi? Nagtago ako sa blanket. Hinahag ko si Tamimoy. Kasi sobrang takot na takot ako talaga sa hangin, guys. As in, rinig na rinig mo, parang nagtornado na dito. Hindi natagalan kami kasi si Tami pahiga-higa pa. Dapat maaga kami magpunta doon sa isang bahay. Kaso, kapag kasama mo itong asawa ko, kapag siya yung late talaga. Alam ko naman kung bakit late siyang gustong magpunta doon kasi gusto niyang hintayin din yung mga sulat na darating din doon. What is that? Is that New Rochelle?
Red flood.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what, honey? I'm just gonna wear it. Can I double wear it? Can you fold it, honey? Oh, thank you, my love. Oh, he's just a sweet boy. You're a sweet, sweet boy. Hello, guys. Let's go. We're done here. The news. You want to listen the news? What are we checking now? How many packages you want?
Lots. Check the mailbox. Just pull up and check it. You don't have
I'm gonna go out.
Car.
Yes, I'm going to. I'm short. My hand it can't reach anywhere.
Well, if it's in there, then I'll get out and get it. But all you gotta do is reach to open it. Really, what's the big deal? Oh, you're just like a switch. Okay, whatever.
So what are you ordering online again? I hope you don't do bidding, huh? Kasi may bid na yung patintin daw. Let's go. Oh, it's windy but it's very sunny. And my eyes is hurting like a cranny. What nothing? I thought you have a good signal. Well, actually, it's over here. It's no signal here, so.
Yeah, I get melted here.
Anyway, guys, so let's go ahead to New Rochelle. It's been a while na hindi ako nakapunta doon. Kasi hindi ako sinama ni Tami. Tami decided not to bring me to New Rochelle anymore. So this time he doesn't have a choicey. This is my choicey. For some reason, he doesn't want me to go there. For some reason, my eyes is hurting so bad. I mean, there is something still here. Pintot, pintot, kinsay pala utot. Pintot, pintot, kinsay mga bahog lubot. Nawala lagi. Nawala yung ano ko sa mata. Yun lang, pintot-pintot, kinsay pala utot. Sino yung umutot? see? He's gonna break this car. Can you take my phone away from there that it's easy for you to fucking do everything?
What this crap?
Oh my god.
I can't turn it back on. Freaking kidding me.
You have to return that freaking phone. Seriously. Is there a jack into that one?
I put this adapter.
Oh, you know what, honey? If doesn't work, that means it's not the wire. It's the adapter you got. Sometimes they have problem. You got me that for my gaming thing,
Yep.
and it was a problematic.
I can't turn the phone on. Damn, finally. What the hell?
It takes a while, Tommy. It's not magic like when you press one time.
Get
It's
the apple right away. If you don't get the apple right away, there's something wrong.
Tommy always want perfect. Nothing is perfect in this world. Only the trees, because they don't see anything. The animals, they're perfect. They're hard-headed, but they're perfect.
No signal of any kind. No phone, no internet, nothing. No, now I got LTE. What the hell?
Han, you're in the mountain.
I got phone and LTE.
We are almost here, guys. My goodness, what a travel for me. It's a long drive. But I like coming here sometimes, right, Han? Is that ours over there?
Was just folded in, yes.
Oh, it's right here.
One up there.
Oh my God. Yun, lumipad ang lahat. Okay, even the garbage thing, oh. Yung mga takloberts. Uy, biboy. We are here. My God. My God, this house is a mess. God, I miss this house. Nakakamiss na sobrang messy. Ang dami pa eh. I thought you guys threw garbage, but you guys didn't. What? Is there any mail that you get? 64. No, I'm talking about the mail that you get when you were here. Gardener, honey, you never freaking... Where's the... Did you receive gardener here?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Oh, that one you think about.
Diet, pero I want Popeyes, but my head is like, diet. My stomach want Popeyes and any meat, but my head is like... Hi guys, nagwawala na naman ako dahil sa bumibili na naman si Mister ng mga steak. And then, ang dami pa pala dito. Ngayon, yung iba nag-preserver na. Okay. Is that safe here? Ang dami, nasisira na yung iba. Ngayon, bumili na naman, look. Dami pa dito, oh. Ito, ano to? Para sa aso. And then, dinala ko na yung mga sinaunang steak. Kasi ang dami pa pala dito sa malaking freezer. Marami pa. So, ngayon, sabi ko, dalhin natin sa isang bahay para lutuin lahat. And then, kahit marami siya, kaysa itapon, dalhin at lutuin lahat. And then, so, ito yung mga old na Ang gagandang steak pa naman ito. Hold on, guys, ha. Look, ang gagandang steak. Ito, maganda. Ito, nag-preserver na yung iba. Sabi ko, ay, naku, Lord. So, nasisira na siya, guys. So, sabi ko, dalhin natin ito lahat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steak. Lutuin ko yan. Kasi, nasabi ko, yung iba nga doon walang makain tayo. Ikaw dito, bili-bili ka pa. And then yung iba, nasisira na. Kaluka ka. Ang tigas talaga ng ulo. Kapag walang nakatingin, bibili. Kapag siya lang yung isang mag-grocery, bili ng steak. Nakakaloka. And then, yun. Sabi ko, dalhin natin ito. Huwag kang lutuin mo yan lahat sa grill. Doon siya sa baba. Kasi may steak pa siya doon kasi. Na andin bumili talaga siya, guys. Uy, naluha ako. Sana hindi yan sira. Na lang natin yan, Kakainin natin yung okay. O kakainin natin yung dalawa. And then yung dalawa is i-recook natin. Kasi gustong-gusto din namin yung recook ng mga steak. Yung i-grill mo siya and then i-cook mo siya na parang gisa ba? Yung parang ipa-fry mo siya. And alam nyo guys, nabalitaan namin na yung yung mga tindahan, nagbawal na silang bili ka ng mga limitado na yung kung bibili ka ng mga tissue, mga sa bathroom, mga tissue, mga paper towel, mga yun, limitado na. Bumalik daw yung parang yung nag-start yung pandemic, yung itong virus nang nag-start, 'di ba? Ang daming nagpapanik bumibili ng mga tissue, mga paper towel, mga yung gamit sa bathroom, gano'n. And may hinahanap akong papel na kay Biyanan at saka kay Tami, join sila. And then kasi hinahanap ko kasi ipa-transfer ko kay Tami na ipa-transfer na sa kanya na wala ng pangalan ni Biyanan. Yung parang i-move na sa pangalan niya na lahat ba. Hindi ko makita. Lahat man sila meron. Yung mga magkapatid meron. Yung mga, ang napakaganda talaga nila kay Biyanan. Naglaan talaga sila ng mga, yung mga bata pa to sila, magkapatid. Nilaanan talaga ng yung parang account. Sa pangalan nila, with pangalan nila and din yung so isa-isa sila merong ganon. Saka may mga laman talaga malaki. So yun yung nakakatuwa kasi hindi talaga kahit parang hindi pinabayaan ba, parang meron talaga silang makukuha pag God forbid wala na talaga sila pag wala na sila ganon, meron makukuha mga ganon. So ngayon kailangan na lang i-transfer sa pangalan talaga, pero hindi ko makikita yung kay Tami. Yung sa kapatid niya binigay ko na kasi andun sa amin. Sabi ko, ibigay mo nga ito sa kapatid mo. Itong sa asawa ko, hindi makita-kita. Iwan ko kung asa na yung mga papel na yun. Ay, ang daming Ito siya. Marami kaming ganito Christmas. Alin ba yung dito sa gilid. Lak. The birds and the squirrel is waiting for Tommy. Waiting for them. Look at them, guys. It's like waiting for Tommy to be fed. Look at them. Siya, guys. Kaluka, ang daming ibon. Hi, squirrel! Hello! Hello! Naghintay lang siya sa... Hi! Naghintay talaga to Hi, squirrel! Naghintay yan kay Tommy. Ang taba-taba na. Ang taba-taba nito Daming pinakain ni Tami sa'yo ha. Nataba ka na ha. It's a fat squirrel. No, 4 of them now. It was 2.
There's another one over there on the ground.
No, it's 4 of them now. It was 2, honey. You know what I noticed about the squirrel island? It's fat. They're fat. It's gonna. Han, can you get that paper in front of the dashboard? Dashboard.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going na. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I cannot see, honey. Hi guys, we're almost home. Gutom na gutom ako guys because we don't eat lunch and it's almost 4 o'clock. So I guess we're gonna eat dinner early. Tammy have to put the steak early. And then I'm gonna cook the string beans. Hopefully it's still good. Bumili kasi si Tammy ng string beans. That was few weeks ago. Gutom ko. Kasi sobrang gutom na ako. And then ako pa itong nagmamaniho. Ginoo ko talaga ito. And then ito busy lang sa cellphone. Huh? What are you doing, sister? Sister. Mister. You're my sister? Are you my sister?
In the garage.
You open the garage?
Yeah.
My husband got a lot of package, guys. If you can see him right now, his lap is full of shit. Full of shit. Is that for all you? Not for me? It's not for me?
Uh-huh.
It's nothing for me.
Look, it has your name on it. Does that count?
Oh, you put it in all your name?
Oh, it's just so sad.
Why you put it? It's all in your name.
What did I do?
You're just a wise guy. Okay guys, we are home. Okay guys, so ngayon guys, pagdating namin dito, kain agad ako ng yung nagluto man ako kaninang umaga ng fried rice. And then, inanuhan ko na lang ng yung humba. Meron pa naman ako. String beans, ito yung sa gulay namin. I turned the fireplace over there already, just like yesterday guys. Si Dimples, oh, sobrang happy. Spoiled. What are you doing, huh? Guys, itong mga anak namin, no, all of them, they're sloppy. Like, they eat it like everywhere. It went over the floor.
No, you go stay. Stay.
Gutom ata ito talaga. Iwan ko bakit nagutom ito agad. Why you hungry quick, ha? Gutom siya guys, oy. Wala pa akong menstruation pero sakit-sakit na yung ano ko. Cushion. Itong ano ni Tammy dito lang talaga nilagay. I think sa bathroom ito dito sa tanungin natin. Tammy! Upstairs, downstairs? Okay, sa baba daw. Okay. Kunin ko lang ito. Maglagay tayo sa ano, sa taas din kasi parang wala naman ata sa taas din. Maglagay tayo tuwing umaga. Hi! Hello! Hello, Baba. Hello. I turned the fireplace kasi. Oh, sa fireplace. I turned the fireplace and also yung Christmas tree natin. It's on. Look. Para, oh my God. Your daddy bag ba? You're so nosy, you know? You're so nosy. Okay. No one is using bathroom upstairs anywhere. Dito kami palaging gumagamit. Ang ginaw sa labas ay. Sobrang ginaw guys. Bisitahin natin si Tammy. Hala, Han, it's burning. Did you shut it off? Oh my God. And it's closer to the railing. Oh my God. Can you just don't do it? It's shut up. It's closer to the railing, Han.
I will from the railing, it's fine.
Oh my God, Tommy, you really like it. La la la.
Oh, stop. Liam's over there.
Huh?
Liam ignores him.
This is my dinner, guys. And that's it. Look. Kain lang kami, guys, ha.
I got my mouth right here already.
She would love that
Not right.
shit.
She goes, look how much stuff you're putting away.
She would love that thing.
And we're still hungry here.
Sticky. Tapos na kami kumain, guys.
And the juice is good for their
But we're not giving it to the dog.
The juice is for all their food.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Actually, I'm very sleepy right now. But I need to do my video, guys. Kailangan ko lang talaga mag-ano. I need to...
She's glad it's not in smell-o-vision.
What?
She's glad it's not in smell-o-vision.
What is that?
Smell-o-vision.
It's smell-o-vision. Like you can smell what we're doing. What time is cooking.
Yeah, did that one.
No, it's not gonna happen. It's smell-o-vision. Seriously.
Yes, okay, try it.
Did you try it?
Yes.
It doesn't work?
Well, it's never took off.
Smell-o-vision. Like you can... While I'm videoing right now, cooking something, you can smell what we're cooking. Smell-o-vision. That's not gonna work, seriously. Because you really don't know what smell we're cooking. What if we are pooping, we're farting? You can smell also if we farted. Anyway, we're done. And then, mag-relax lang kami, guys. And thank you, guys. Piin ko na tong vlog. Ay, kailangan ko lang magpahinga kasi napagod ako sa kakadrive, guys. Ginawa akong taming driver. I think pinakasalan lang ako ni Tami para maging driver. What? Anyway, look, dito pa rin si Dimples. Damn! Magbihis lang ako, guys, pang bahay. And yun, thank you guys so much for watching. Iin ko na tong vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Tami, turn the fireplace for one boy. Huh? What a lucky spoiled baby boy. Are you okay? Hey, be careful with your brother. Get down. Hello, baby. Hi, you're so lucky. Makes you warm and cozy. Cozy unta karun. Cozy un. Cozy un. I love you. I love you, Josh. I love you. Hindi na, I'll leave you alone na. Sus, ginoo ko. Just, look. Oh. Yung blanket ni Misty ba? Misty? Misty love fireplace too. So, gustong-gusto niya itong fireplace and then may blanket siya dun. Right, Mitz? Oh, ito siya niyang playing. Manawa niya playing ng baby. Ay, kiling. Aling.
Don't you need to go bother Hob some more?
You want me to bother your son more?
Well, you went in there and bothered him. I know that.
Sudoku.